another stage analysis stocks breakout update. It's Tuesday the 14th of January. It's a stormy night here in England, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, first stock tonight is TOL, which is Toll Brothers. I highlighted this at the weekend, I believe, or maybe even last week, but it's making a stage 2 continuation attempt this week. Let's quick look down the daily. See, yeah, I've got some strong daily volume to break above highs. Actually, I think I've got a daily chart lined up already. Yep. So as you can see, it's made a clear stage 2 continuation breakout and some reasonable volume here. Okay, next is AKTS. This one's attempting to make a stage 2A breakout. Only around average weekly volume currently. Just starting to attempt to move above the stage 2 breakout level, above the previous highs. It's been basing for the majority of the year. So on to watch. We'd want to see 2 times the weekly volume if it does manage to complete the stage 2A breakout. Right, ALTR. Traded this one myself in 2018. Only for a minor trade, somewhere around that area there. Looks like it's attempting to move back into potential stage 2 again. Relative performance has been outperforming since November, although it's catching back up with its zero line. So yeah, it's getting back to the level. BEST, highlighted last week. So it attempted to make the stage 2A breakout. It got pulled back below resistance at the end of the week, but it's continuing to make the attempt this week. So it's still below the early 2019 resistance as highlighted before. So attempting to make stage 2A breakout again, would be looking for 2 times the average volume by the end of the week. So somewhere up here. Next is CAMT. Again, previous highlight from earlier in the week, all the weekend scans. Noted today on Twitter that it made a continuation breakout attempt. We've had a strong 13% move already. So this one's in stage 2 again. Okay, this one's CGC. It's Canopy Growth, one of the cannabis stocks. There's a couple of cannabis stocks in the watch list tonight. They do break stage analysis rules though. Although we've made what looks like to be a small stage 1 base here, it's still below a 30-week declining 30-week moving average, and in the stage analysis method you're not allowed to buy stocks when they're below the 30-week moving average when it's still declining. So this one, although it looks like it's got potential as we've got some volume coming in, is currently breaks our fundamental rule of the method. So we need to wait for it to get above 30-week moving average and for that to start to turn up again. Okay, next we got Cron. This is the other cannabis stock. Obviously similar pattern as we saw there, following the same sort of footprints CGC was. So obviously this one's got potential as well, but it's very early and, as we said, breaks the fundamental rules, so not one that we'd be trading anytime soon yet, but I thought it'd be worth to note that these cannabis stocks seem to potentially have bottomed. DDD, we've got a gap early stage 2A breakout attempt here from a minor stage 1 base. The 30-week MA is turning up. The relative performance moved above the zero line, so we have still got resistance from earlier in 2019, which you would have to get through, and these early breakout attempts can be volatile. So we could see some move higher and consolidation back for a while. Right, EDIT, again highlighted sometime last week, I believe. There's potential for a stage 2 continuation breakout attempt here as it's moved back towards the top of the range. As we saw, we got a strong stage 2A breakout in November, and now it's been consolidating for a couple of months and it's looking to make a continuation attempt. FRTA, another one from the other day, making its stage 2 continuation attempt. Okay, next got MYOK attempting to break out to new 52-week highs. Let's zoom in on the daily. Yep, on the daily, we had some slightly stronger volume, reasonably strong move. It closed the day in strong, so we are in stage 2 continuation territory. PATK, this one's potential for a stage 2A breakout attempt here, breaking above obviously the top of the stage 1 range. So we'll see how that goes. PGNY, believe picked this one up on Twitter a few times today, as well as coming up in the scans. It did break out stronger earlier in the day, but it pulled back in a more squat pattern by the end of the day, but still above this initial level. This is a daily chart, so unlike the others which are weekly charts, so because it's such a new issue. So we've got potential for moving into stage 2, but we'll see if it holds. PRGO, this is a pharmaceutical stock, I believe. Don't normally like to show them too much. This one slipped in because the pattern was looking quite nice in its good stage, strong, big stage 1 base. A strong move here, with potential for a stage 2 breakout attempt this week. I think we're back at the start again. Oh. Yep, we are. Okay, that's the lot for tonight. If you want to see more, go to stageanalysis.net for the daily stock watch lists for the US, Canadian, US market and UK markets. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.